back to a super belated Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This is for July. I realize we're at the end of October right now as I'm filming this. I honestly didn't realize it had been that long since the last time I recorded an Ipsy unboxing, and had to go back and see what was the last one I did. And oh shit, let's dig around and find my July one, because I didn't realize we'd gone that long. So, this is, I think, the first one of these where I have two bags to show you, because since my mom tapped out on Ipsy, I still really liked being able to, like, swap between the bags if there was something I couldn't use, so I kept that account active, put it in my own name, put in my own details and stuff, and pay for a second bag now when it feels super extra, and if she ever wants back in, then I'll put it back in her name and put it all back to her, but for now, apparently, I'm getting two glam bags every month. Because I'm that extra, so... The July bag, like, the theme was Stay Golden. It's like this kind of, like, almost wovenish looking, like, I don't know if this is vinyl or what it is in reality, but it's gold. It's got a really cute little, like, turquoise stripe along the zipper, but the zipper pull, like, let me just show you it. Look how friggin' cute. I love this bag. So... is there anything in the envelope itself? Okay, nope. So, let's go ahead and dive in. The little card looks like this. Stay golden. This month, everything you touch is turning to gold. Dust on your favorite highlight, pat on a shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. And on the back, it's got, like, an ad for the Glam Bag X with Halsey for August. Alright. Hey, we actually, for once, have the product info again. What do you know? It can happen. First thing in here, ironically, I probably will just have to go ahead and give it to my mom because I won't be able to use it. It's the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. This is a deluxe sample size. The full size is $30. I don't need the full size of something I can't use. Hydrate, smooth, and prep your skin for makeup with this 3-in-1 primer. The secret, a blend of nutrient-rich coconut water, hence why I can't use it, and quinoa protein plus tiny micro pearls that make your skin look super luminous and glowy. Tip using your fingers, smooth a dime-sized amount over clean skin for a natural-looking glow. Well, hopefully she enjoys it. Next in here, I am much more excited about this, and believe it or not, this is full size. Let that sink in. Full size. It retails for $9.99, and it's the Dr. Botanicals Watermelon Superfood 2-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover. Almost $10 for something this size seems really steep, but... Get fresh, clean skin and remove makeup in one easy step with this double-duty cleanser. Multitasking watermelon oil dissolves makeup and grime, balances oil production and replenishes skin's moisture levels, and protects your complexion from free radical damage. Tip, saturate a cotton round and hold it over each eye to dissolve makeup, then rinse. Well, it is nice that it's, like, eye-friendly, so, I mean, I guess that does make it a little more worth it, I suppose. And this is from the Apothecary Natural Collection. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and 98% natural. Oddly specific, but there you go. Next up, this is a deluxe sample size, but I don't care. This is like a plenty good size for me for a lipstick. This is by Real Her Moisturizing Lipstick in Girl Power, which just makes me think Spice Girls, so makes me a happy camper. The full size of this would be $18. If your dream lipstick feels just like a balm, then this silky, nourishing formula is def for you. It uses jojoba seed oil and shea butter to nix chapping and dryness on contact, plus time-released water droplets provide moisture throughout the day. The perfect recipe for all-day hydration. Tip, thanks to this moisturizing formula, this lipstick doubles as the perfect cream blush. I don't know about that. I really am not into the whole double-duty lip products as blush thing. If you do that, cool for you. Nah, I'm good. I'm good. I don't know. I'm a little squicked by that whole concept, and I don't even know why, but I just am. Oh, that is a much smaller product than I thought it would be from the box size. Well, I guess that really is a deluxe sample size. Holy shit. But still a lot of product, not gonna lie, so I am not even mad. But yeah, that would definitely not be a blush shade for me. But it is a pretty lip shade, so I do like that. So, that's the thing. Come to me. So this is Shades by Shan Eyeshadow Duo in Honey Peach and Tangerine. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $12. Doesn't say what size this is, though. This is 1.2 grams. The full size is 2.2 grams. So this is like at least half size. I think even over half size. I'm just bad at math. So, open up. Oh, those are pretty. Damn, I wish I had filmed this before I put on eye makeup today, which I am proud of. But, those are really pretty. I would have really liked to have used that gold in this look. Anyway. This mini but mighty eyeshadow duo is perfect for decking out your lid, crease, and lower lash line. The shimmery Champagne Rose and Matte Orange shades are richly pigmented, ultra blendable, and can be used to create an array of eye looks that transition from day to night. Tip: use the shimmery shade with a damp makeup brush for added intensity. Okay, will do. And the last one in this bag is, this is full size, and it's worth $6. It's by Koki Cosmetics. It's their Precise Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. Calling all cat eye noobs, this liquid liner is here to help you create the perfect line every single time. Made with ultra-saturated jet black pigments and a firm felt tip, this baby won't skip, tug, or smear. Tip: store with your felt tip eyeliners upside down to keep them from drying out. Oh, can you guys hear this? It sounds like those paint pens. Holy shit, I don't think I've ever seen a liquid liner do that, but that's actually really cool. So, okay, those are the products from my main bag. Let me just put those away, and then I'll open up the other one. So, first things first, we already have a product that's too big to fit in there. And this one does not have the product info. Alright. It has a Bronzing 101. Boy! Basically written for me. Find the hue for you. Fact: bronzer is for everyone, and it's all about the undertones. Fair skin looks fab in peach or pink toned bronzers. Copper tones are a great go-to for olive and medium skin, and richly pigmented warm shades make deep skin sing. Pro tip: stick to 1 or 2 shades darker than your natural skin tone. Yeah, that. The ones I get sent are always way too dark for me. I think it's why I can never figure out how to make it look right. Step 2. Choose your formula. If you prefer a dewy finish or have normal to dry skin, a cream or gel-based bronzer will help hydrate any dry patches. On the oily side, powder bronzers will stay put for the long haul, no slipping or sliding. Pro tip: for a lit from within effect versus a tan, opt for a formula with a touch of shimmer. Step 3. Apply like a pro. Create a 3 shape by sweeping your powder or blending your cream along your hairline, down to your cheekbones, and onto the apples of your cheeks, then swirl back again to under your jawline. Pro tip: dust over the bridge of your nose for a naturally sun-kissed look. I swear to God I've done that, and it never looks right when I do it. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, other than probably using the wrong shade. But anyway, first thing in here is by Grace and Stella. It's the there's a foam party on my face and you're invited foaming face wash. I'm sorry that sounds wrong, but I am excited to have this, so I'm amused though. Second product in. This is definitely not full size. It's by Glam Glow, and it's the Super Mud Clearing Treatment Mask. This is probably like a single-use mask at best. It's so little. Then we have, again, definitely not full size, by, what, is this Kat Von D, or KVD? Yeah, the KVD Cake Pencil Intensely Rich Eyewear in Trooper Black. That is, indeed, a black eyeliner. Not much to say about it. Oh, I did. I suck. I hate when I go to put the cap back on and I miss and gouge right into the damn product. I suck. Okay. Then we have, by Real Her, the Dream So Big eyeshadow duo in Inspire and Courage. Ooh. What did I drop? Ah, the little plastic thing slid right out. So, okay, it is one with a mirror, so let me cover that. But these are really pretty shades. Look at these. Like, especially if I, like, mixed and matched these with that other duo, I think I could get some great looks out of these. My goodness. I am actually really stoked. And finally, last product of the bunch, we have by Sugar Cosmetics, the Contour de Force Mini Highlighter in Royal Rose. Ooh, let's see it. That's what the product looks like. And then, I would not have called that a rose shade by any stretch of the imagination, but that is a pretty highlighter shade. I can't wait to see what it looks like on. So, alright, those are what I got in my July Ipsy Glam bags, plural. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a big ol' like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Are you an Ipsy member? If so, what did you get? Either in July or just recently, since I'm so far behind, let me know down below. Or are you the most excited to see me review first? Let me know that, as well as anything about anything. And make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.